Yes, shoot that ball. Paano mo lalagay? Pinutulong ko muna namin yung safety reminder. Okay? The safety reminder first, dalawa ng aming Ate Adi, kami, Kuya Ben. Ano daw po yung safety reminder, Kuya Ben ng Ate Adi? No? No? Stop? Yes, and then, the game. Okay, then. Saglit tayo. Dugong tayo ni Kuya Ben at ni Ate Adi sa dalawa. Ayan, hiwalay niyo, hiwalay. Okay, ang team ni Ate Adi, natatawagan natin team white. Team ni Kuya Ben, natatawagan natin team yellow. Ay po ba, team ni Ate Adi is team white, and team ni Kuya Ben is team yellow. At parin naman po ng cheer ng team white. And then, magpapatalo pa ang team yellow. Okay, hands up. And arms forward. And then, pupunta lang po tayo na nag-cheer. And syempre, naka-line para yung sa ating volleyball area. Mauna po muna si Ate Kat. Okay, mauna po muna si Ate Kat.
Up.
Tuloy po kayo, okay? Once again, no pushing. No jump in the volleyball area.
Oh, no, pop.
Enjoy the game. Wala ko narinig na cheer. Walang bibitaw. Wala ko narinig na cheer. Go, team! Okay, muna. Harap dito. And then, hands up, and shake. Shake hands, shake your hands. Very good naman ang team ni Kuya Ben and also, pero good din po ang team ni Ate Adi kasi behave sila. Ayan. Yung game po natin ay tatawagin natin shoot that ball. Yung shoot that ball po, may tatlong level. Yung unang level, April.
Again.
Okay, yung team white, white balls lang po yung iahalis natin kay Ate Adi. Yung yellow team, yellow balls lang po yung isushoot natin kay Kuya Ben. Okay? Ang laro po natin yung merong tatlong game, tatlong level, or tatlong stage, which is level 1, naka-open po yung basket. Sa level 2, naka-half close po yung basket. Ayan. And then, the third level is gumagalaw po yung basket. Pero dapat, makakashoot pa rin po tayo. Okay po ba? Very good. Wait lang mo na. Pagbibilang lang po si Ate Kat ng 20 seconds kada level. Para ngayon po tayo na mag-shoot. Collect balls po muna. Team yellow, collect balls. Team White, collect balls. Ready na po ba? Okay, shoot that ball in 3, 2, 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop na po. Stop. Second laro natin is half. Yes. Pag white balls lang po, white balls lang. Pag yellow balls lang. Okay, napanood nyo na hands up. Hands up, taas kamay. Taas kamay, team white, taas kamay. O, taas kamay, team white and team yellow. Taas kamay. Shoot that ball in 3.
Uno, I'm here.
Taas mo na kamay. Taas mo na kamay, team white. Ready na po ba? Ready na? Okay, shoot that ball in 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait lang, Uno, wait lang.
Right to right. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop! Collect balls. Collect mo na ng balls. Go, collect balls. Stop mo na. Wala mo na. Wala mo na.
Say hi, Uno. Hi. Hi, Uno. Hi. Here, hi.
Okay, nakapag-collect na po ng balls. Taas kamay. Taas kamay na mga nakapag-collect na ng balls. Ready na po ba para sa ating final and third game? Very good. Okay, team right. Ready na po, team right. Okay, shoot that ball in 3, 2, 1, go! 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now stop! Stop na! Okay, lahat ng team white, dito tayo kay Ate Adi. Lahat ng team yellow, kay Kuya Ben. Okay, okay ba? Titignan ko natin kung sino mananalo. Harap kami na harap. Harap ka Ate Adi, harap kay Kuya Ben. Team white at team yellow. Titignan natin kung sino yung mas maraming balls. Okay. Ang lalaki sa game is team yellow. Okay. At team white, dito tayo. Bibigyan natin sila ng claps. Okay? Bula na tayo ito. Ano lang? Arms forward. Arms forward. Okay, ate. Okay, ate. Kaya ate. Saan si ate? Hawak ka na kay ate. Alam niyo ba yung trend? Trend? Alam niyo ba yung trend? Slowly. Tinigin natin ka. Team Yellow. Team White, bibigyan po natin sila ng claps. Okay po ba? Kapag ito sa Team Yellow, okay, Team White. Dahil nanalo po ang Team Yellow, bibigyan po natin sila ng 5 claps. Okay po ba?
Are you done? Are you tired?
Bigyan natin sila ng 5 claps. 1, 2, 3,
You.
4, 5. Say, very good.
Very good.
Ay, ginawa naman po ng Team White, yung best nila. Bibigyan naman po natin sila ng 3 claps. Okay po? 1, 2, 3. Say, good job.
Good job.
Okay. Arms forward. Arms forward tayo, baby. Tayo magkakaroon tayo ng last dance bago po ibigay ni Kuya Ben, ni Ate Adi at ni Mitsuna yung pag-giveaway. Okay po ba? Arms forward.
Oh. Not uno, not.
Ngayon po sa alikan, guys. Hati ka.
Not uno.
Ayan. Up. And shake. Then down. Okay po, Kuya Ben. Music po. Up. Up. March. Sit. March. Up. March. Oh, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Wave. Grab your shoulder, your hand, and jump. Then wave. Circle. Fish. March. And jump. Then wave. Make a cute face. Why? Bend your knee. Up arm. Turn around. Then up. March. Up. May sabay na ba? Alright! Very good! Then, muna. Ngayon po muna, ipapagawa lang po sa atin ang story. Bago mag-open lang sa atin ang Kuya Ben, ano ba? Mag-ibigay po muna tayo. Okay? Ito lang po. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Saka lang po namin i-open. Okay po ba? Sabon nga po yung 3. Okay, parents and guardian, ina-invite po namin kayo dito sa event area para sa ating group picture together with kids. Masitaw mo muna kita.
Thank you.
Sit down. Everyone, sit down. Okay, parents and guardian, pwede po tayo dito sa harap ng ating event area para sa ating group picture. Kids, listen to ating lahat kasi namin namin po kang sila. Share po natin yung story. Okay po ba? Okay, sa mga naman, Para sa atin po. Ang last na mga natin natin na maluloy mo. Bago siya na naging rin po ako ng ating team. Sino ba may tuloy? Kasama rin. Pwede mo po tuloy? Sino ba po sa birthday ko sa Mitsuna? Okay, meron sa Italian. Sabi na po ang birthday party kamulis. Pwede mo po rin siya. Pwede mo rin siya. Nakapalis ka. Okay, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
What are you doing, Uno? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, yeah. Then,
More pa, more.
I couldn't see. I couldn't see. What's the struggle? Are you lost? Yeah. Hey.
Put it on.
I couldn't see.
Put it on, Uno.
May nakita kayong bakit? Ano?
Up, 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 up. Baro lang, baro lang.
Alis mo malagyan yung buhok ko. Halika, selfie tayo. Wait.
Op, 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 op. Bakit? Kaya sa eyes mo. I told you, don't sing with the... Here? That's not the face. That's the face, not the ears.